Oh my goodness, they're here. This is the first unboxing style video I've ever made, and I just taped on a piece of paper here because I couldn't get the sticker with my address to come off. Anyway, and I did slice it open with scissors so that I could easily slide them out. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's extra things. Okay, so this is the company I ordered from. I was able to order from them easily because ooh. Ooh. I was able to order from them easily because they have these 10 packs of samples that you can order for $9 a piece, and then at least in the United States the shipping is free. So this is the first one that I put up there as a piece of art. It's I'll show you the original stone. Here's the original stone that I still am putting coats of varnish on. But anyway, look at that. Look at that. And this is a matte finish, so maybe it would be better with a glossy finish. I don't know. Anyway, there's the first one. And here they are. They're stickers. So I ordered, I don't even know where my camera lens is. I ordered a sticker, 10 stickers, and I ordered 10, these are just extra stickers they've stuck in here for fun and for PR. Oh, this is gonna be the Jag one. So I did 2 that are my personal art. So this one, which is from taking a picture of this after having painted it, right? And I did one of, let's see, I'll grab the art, hold on. I did a coaster of this. So they only had a round coaster blank to do a sample with, so I just had them, you know, crop it as a circle. So we'll see what that's going to be in. Probably this one because it's more bulky. And I also ordered, they have a $1 sticker sample. Sorry, getting distracted. $1 sticker sample. So this is just random stickers from them. This is going to be my guess. But this one is going to be in here, and this one's so funny. I'm going to turn it over in a minute. I don't know if anybody else thinks it's funny, but this is the gritty face that Jag, our adopted Dalmatian, he was our neighbor's dog, we've had him since August, makes when he's like trying to apologize. I think I'm going to do a whole series of him. These are so good. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I think they're hilarious. His funny little face. These are magnets. So I ordered a sticker, a magnet, and these will be coasters in round. And I don't even know, I don't know what I don't know anything about coasters. I'm thinking that these are probably some kind of like a disposable use, like use for a while and then throw them out kind of thing. But anyway, Jags. These are gonna be these just make me so happy. So this is a picture I took, so it's not my art, not my handmade art, but I took the photo, and it's oh my gosh, these are great. Okay, so, and these are 3 inches, I think, and these were like 3 1/4 by 2 in the end, so I was able to enter sort of the general dimensions, and then they made these make me so happy. Okay, and then I was able to do, they send a proof that you approve, and so this one they had originally done with it, like the default is to put an outline like this, a white outline, and I had a proof of this one with that outline, and I asked them to take it off, which they did. So these are pretty cool. I think these would actually be nicer in glossy, so I don't know if that's an option with these folks, but the whole idea for me is to like start getting samples in so that I can know what I want, because I look at these these sticker. I look at these, you know, these websites with the billion choices for. Ugh, it'd be nice if they had those like half peel things in here. But me with no fingernails. Yes, I bite my fingernails. Have for 5 decades now. Going on 6. Okay, so I don't know how to. I'm gonna get those, but those are a sticker for maybe on. I don't even know what people use stickers for. Magnets, I know what to do with. Let's look at the coasters. No one came up with their random stickers. I have no idea what's in that package. I just wanted to see like the quality of their materials, which so far I'm pretty impressed. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, this is a paper coaster. Maybe for like a special event or something. I don't know. Or if you're super careful with your coasters. I have never in life used coasters. So I don't know anything about them. So yeah, it's a paper coaster. So cool. A little darker than the original, so that's kind of good to know to like color correct if it's important. And I was actually kind of like, it was nice that they added this extra white because I was thinking it's gonna have these skinny leg magnet pieces. Anyway, they seem pretty durable actually. I mean, they're not like, you know, one-off bar ones, but they are made of some kind of paper, but the surface feels, I'm all way off camera, the surface feels plasticky, so maybe it's a little water resistant, I don't know. Anyway, so the color match is off on this one, pretty darn close on this one. Good enough. I don't hate these, it's just different, but yeah, these are cool. And I love that. Oh, and so let's look at the sticker. This is like a sample of their samples, like just 10. I guess it's 10. I don't know if it even had a number. It might be more than 10. Random stickers, so I could see how they work with the materials. That's my thinking. And maybe there's even something cool in there, so who knows. Oh, it's a bunch. So this is a coaster. Now this one doesn't feel as, like, maybe it's because this is all inky, it feels more water resistant, but we'll test it. Little different shapes you can have, lots of mule sauce. So this is a magnet, looks like, is it? Yeah, this is a magnet. It actually feels, I guess they're the same thickness. Alright, so magnets. This is a sticker, I suppose. Sticker. So we can do all kinds of, oh, this is one of the ones I wanted to see. So holographic, this one's scratched, so they do get scratched. Is another, like, I couldn't see it on the website what the heck they were talking about, but here's the difference. One has, one hasn't. So that could be fun to work with too. I don't know how the paints might or might not come through, but things that can be cut out. These are stickers. Sticker. Oh, these are labels. So if you had like jars that you wanted labels for, they make these labels. And I actually kind of like that. I have to see if what they cost, because they're easier to peel for at least me versus this one. And this is packing tape. And then they also make like these bubble wrappers, so you could have a custom bubble mailer thing. And I think that there's other stuff too, but these are the core things. So this packing tape. I guess you might have to wet it. This doesn't seem like there's any point to it in my life, but different kinds of things that can be made from places that print stuff. Kind of cool. I'm excited. Yeah, really excited. Let's see what happens next.